So let's say I have a couple of movies on my Mac which I would like to access from my other devices under the same network, like from my iPad or an Android smartphone or even from my Windows computer. So how can I do that? Well, let's find out. Hi there, this is Mina once again and welcome to our TD Videocast. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can access files on your Mac from any other device on the same network. So a week ago I was looking for a way to stream movies on my Mac from my iPad, but the solutions I found on the internet were not at all practical. For instance, someone suggested the app Find It, but the problem with this is first you have to install the app on your iOS device and then install the server on the Mac computer. And even after that, it doesn't show you the file system, but instead you have to manually search the file using the file extensions like JPEG or MP4. And as you can see, this is clearly not how things should work. There has to be a better solution, right? So I started doing my research and finally found a very simple solution where you can access all the files on your Mac from any device on the network. And the best part is you don't have to download any software. So let's see how this is done. All you have to do is turn on remote sharing on your Mac. Next, it will give you a local IP address of your Mac computer, which you can type on any other device and access all the content of your Mac. Pretty cool, right? So let's see how to do this in iOS, Android and Windows. However, if you're interested in a specific part, you can click on the timestamp given in the video description. But I will strongly suggest you go through the entire video just that you have a clue of what's going on. So let's get started. So let's start with how to access your Mac files from a iOS device like iPad or iPhone. So open up your Mac and go to System Preference and then Sharing. Once you are there, turn on the File Sharing option. Next, you can select which folder do you want to share and which user will have access to it. By default, the admin has read and write access to the entire file system. Next, make a note of the local IP address of your Mac. In this case, it will be given here. And it should be something like 192.168.1.100 or something like that. Now take out your iPad or iPhone and install File Explorer free if you don't already have it, and then open it up. Next, tap on this plus sign on the top and select macOS. And here you need to enter the IP address of your Mac computer, which you have just noted down in the previous tab. Although if you scroll down to the bottom, you will probably find the computer listed here. So tap on that and enter the username and password of your Mac. And that's it. Now you have access to every file on your Mac. You can even stream the movie file or download the pictures by copying them to your clipboard. Now let's see how to access your Mac files from an Android. Like the previous step, you need to turn on the sharing by going to the System Preference on your Mac. But since Apple ecosystem don't play well with other, you need to make few extra changes. So in this case, you also need to turn on remote login option. Next, take out your Android phone or tablet and open ES File Explorer or any explorer that has LAN option. Next, go to LAN, FTP and then SFTP. This part is important. Make sure you go to Secure File Transfer Protocol and then add a new server. Here, enter the IP address of your Mac followed by the username and password. And there we go. You can stream all the videos and even copy them or move them to your local storage. Finally, let's see how to access your Mac from a Windows computer. This is slightly more complicated than Android. So start by going to your Mac computer and make sure the file sharing is turned on like we did in the previous step. Next, go to the option menu and make sure file sharing for Windows is checked. Now there is one more step we need to do. Go to Network, Active Connection, Advanced and then enter the workgroup name of your Windows computer. If you don't know what is that, then open up your Windows computer, go to My Computer and look for the Properties. There you will find the workgroup name. Usually it is workgroup in caps. Now enter this workgroup name in the Mac connection settings. And finally open up your Windows computer and now you can find your Mac under the Networks, or you can also go to Run window and type in // followed by the IP address of your Mac. Now click on that and enter the username and password of your Mac. And there we go. Now you can see all the files that are stored on your Mac, which can again be downloaded to your computer, or if you want, you can also stream it online. So in a nutshell, with this method, you can convert your Mac into a NAS and then access all its content from any device connected to the same network. Overall, everyone who has a Mac should know about this method. It makes file sharing so much simpler. That being said, if a friend of yours who has a Mac but don't know about this method, feel free to share this video with them. Also, if you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think. So that's it for now. This is Mrinal signing off. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tech tips and tricks for better life. And like always, thanks for watching.